And we're back, ready for the next bout. So third, it's from Georgia, Hassan from England. Winner of this will go on to fight Clements in the next round. Can Hassan get through and make it a England versus Wales derby in the next bout? Chumberdits in the red, Hassan in the blue. Nice low kick attempt there from Hassan. Goes for the takedown straight away. Chumberdits gets. Does he get it? Nope, not quite. Still pushed against the cage. Trying to drive Hassan back. Hassan got to be careful of the back being taken from Chumberdits. Just a little bit stuck here against the wall. Need to try and work off that cage side there. Hassan now coming forward, trying to come forward a little bit and put a bit of pressure on Chumberdits. Not getting anywhere with it though at the minute. He's switching stances quite a lot. Been caught a couple of times on the way in there. Now Hassan gets a bit of pressure against the cage. He's starting to push back a bit. This is good work. Again, just tries to slip out that side door. Doesn't end up being able to do so. Look a little bit here now. Hassan did a good job keeping on to the wrist control there. Very good job. He's now trying to sweep through to try and get that neck as well. Not quite getting there. Now he's got to the back, the fall to the floor. Now he's got that back and body lock. 1 minute left. He's got a good bit of time here, Hassan. He's got under the neck. He's going to go to the short choke. No, he's got full rear naked. That's tight, and that is the submission from Imran Hassan, who will go to the next round in the quarterfinals and take on Wales fighter Ellis Clement. Very, very impressive. Hassan took the back beautifully. Once he locked that body lock up, there's not really anywhere to go for Hassan, for Chumberdits. But good work though from Hassan, getting a beautiful victory.
Over and octagon to your winner by submission, clear choke on the blue corner, representing